Hello and welcome to another update video about MATIC. The MATIC chart recently formed a larger 1-2 pattern in which a wave 1 topped in December and the wave 2 likely, possibly, bottomed already. It's too early to confirm that it's bottomed, but we already have some degrees of confirmation that give us some confidence that, yeah, this wave 2 could be over, but this pattern is now being tested. So big test. Currently underway. We're going to talk about that, but it is one of the more bullish structures currently in the crypto market. It's definitely one of the structures with the cleanest and clearest micro patterns that we can read quite well with Elliott wave. And I have to say though that the initial increase into the December highs, that was only a leading diagonal. Leading diagonals aren't great. They don't give us great confidence normally, but we have generally a lack of impulsive price action in the crypto market. That is a bit of a warning. Okay, so that's just something to mention. That doesn't mean it's bearish. It just means that we have to be very picky to identify the best setups. Okay, and yeah, the MATIC chart offers, I think, still a decent setup. 5 waves to the upside in the December highs. For anybody who's new in Elliott wave, who's not so familiar with Elliott wave, I mean, you know that, you might not know that 5 waves mean, so we always want to look for a 5-wave pattern. A 5-wave pattern typically gives us some confidence that a lasting low has been established. It typically indicates where the larger trend is going, and in this case, that would obviously be to the upside. Then we're looking for a corrective pullback once we have 5 waves, so the top in December. We can define a support area based on that for an upcoming pullback. That support area has been on the chart since, yeah, end of December, and we've now dipped into it in a 3-wave move. That's essentially what we want. Can I rule out another low? No. I mentioned to you that I really need to see a break out of this corrective price channel to the upside to get more confidence that a low is in. That would be a break of structure, well, in a positive sense. That's really what we would like to see, a break out of this corrective price channel to the upside, because it would, that's why the name suggests, you know, corrective price channel. We want to see a break above it to break out of this correction. There are some other clues that we can work with. So for example, obviously on the smaller time frame, we've identified a small 5-wave move up. Basically what we had here in large, we can identify that in small here. Yeah, and we also have a small 5-wave pattern to the upside, and possibly we're now working on this 3-wave corrective pullback. So that's now where it's getting interesting. You see the price, obviously, yeah, I mean, it's great. I mean, MATIC really one of the cleanest charts at the moment, and therefore also it reacted nicely here to that trading area most recently. That, to be honest, was only for very short-term traders. If it was, you know, if you wanted to trade it at all, it was, for me, it was more about, okay, let's check if the market can turn around at one of these fib levels that I gave you. And if yes, then we can get 5 waves up. It reached the perfect target I wanted to see. And now we see this pullback into the support zone. The ideal support zone now is between 71.9 cents and 77.6 cents. So that's the main ideal support zone for this current pullback. And this is a wave 2 or wave B, most likely. Okay, as long as we're holding the 71.9 cent level. That means that somewhere here I'd like to see a reversal. I don't have a very clear microstructure. This to me looks only like the A wave of wave 2. So either it's the A wave of 2 and we're now doing a B, and then we come down in wave C, or the wave 2 is already in, yeah. But it would be very shallow. If we get a break above yesterday's high at 83.3 cents, that would be good confirmation that the 3rd wave to the upside has started to unfold, basically a bullish structure. For now, we are currently in a support zone, or already reversed out of the micro support zone. But what I could imagine might happen is that, yeah, this was only the A wave. We might get a, you know, touch and test that trend line, and then come down in wave C, maybe towards, yeah, 76, 74 cents would be ideal. I'll watch that for you. Certainly at the moment I have no confirmation that a low is in, but it's good to see that the market is respecting those levels, and yeah, keep you updated. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.